I wanted to show you the paperwork that went along with this clock. First of all, there's an envelope with a 4-cent stamp, so you know it's old. Then you have the instructional installing the grandfather clock movement to the clock, and then you have these clock plans, which shows you how to put it together. And the clock plans are from Mason and Sullivan Corporation, 1964. So the clock itself is from about 1964, but there's a newer movement in it. And stand by and I'll show you a picture of that. Here's a picture of the movement itself. Showing you that it was made by Kenninger. Like I said, it's a really big movement compared to another grandfather clock that I got that has a Joush movement in it. It's a really nice movement compared to the Joush. Anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.